What's up guys, welcome to another video. So today what we're gonna be doing is the second episode, not the second, how to make a finding Waldo game. So first what I'm gonna do is here, I'm gonna just pick random, let's do plus or times from 15 30 to 40. Okay, we're gonna time this by level. Just that's it. Times by boom. Like we're gonna make the winning screen work. But first we're gonna make a jump scare. I'm just gonna make the jump scare real quick. Okay, so I made the jump scare. So first I'm just just do something. Just get some inspiration, you know. Just get some inspiration from my. Just get some inspiration, nothing else, you know. Like nothing else. Okay, so yeah, nothing that one. Yeah, nothing. Yeah. Okay, nice. So I made a sound, I guess. Okay, nice. I made a good sound effect. Good enough. We can go okay, let's change this to 1 mod 3. Okay, and then yeah, this is for the jump scare. So what we're gonna need is jump scare. Yeah, nice. So it's just gonna put them in stage 1 click for everything. Mouse down and not touching. First touching. Oh wait. Okay, naman. Just put it in here. One click forever. Then mouse down and no 4. And not touching that guy. And we're gonna force for broadcast Jumpscare. Please also put down the volume on the sound. When click hide. Make them a tiny bit bigger. Oh wait, one layer. Forever is then touching. Wait, this is gonna be nice. When touching mouse pointer. I'm gonna make a new variable. Let's break touching bad guy. So sprites set touching bad guy to yes. Touching bad guy to no. Here and touching bad guy equals no. Wait. Okay, wait, I'm gonna do a lives counter real quick. Okay, I'm back. So what we're gonna do is make another variable called lives. And then we're gonna do it for all sprites. So first of all, when click go to total here 150. See? There it is. Never mind, so it's negative 140 and then 140. What? Oh, that's 240. There you go, nice. And we're gonna do switch costume to lives. But first we're gonna set lives. All this 0. All this 1, 2, 3. 3 follow this green. Switch costume to light. And then whenever we do this, we're gonna change lives. Change lives by -1. Switch costume to lights. And whenever. There you go. Forever switch to light. And then here we're gonna do at the end, not the screen. We're gonna do here, and then we're gonna do a define event. I think this will be around us forever. Switch costume to level. Less than 1. Then I'm gonna make a new costume.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, so here I just did some code accidentally because my brain thought that I was still recording. But yeah, I made the code now. Okay guys. Okay, sad you guys didn't see me record it. But I also made the lives counter. If you guys didn't see that, I made this as well. So yeah. That okay. So wait, let me see. Without spelling it. Now what we're gonna do to the pizza? Let's try doing it. Let's just work down. That's a lot of them now. 7 will work now. See? Boom, more clones. More clones. What? They're too big, bro. They're too big. So let me just make it 4. Bagaimana gonna increase the amount of clothes? Let's do it to 7. To 40. This needs to be an else. Oh yeah, I forgot what I wanted to make. I'm gonna give them different oh, never mind. It's too long. The video's too long already. So guys, this is it for this video. I'll see you in the next part. Next part, I'll add some other changes to the NPCs, the other guys, and also make like a proper some other scenes. So yeah, this is it for this episode. Bye.